Made with Tequileño Blanco, which is a Highland tequila. Even though it's distilled in the city of Tequila, it's all the agave comes from the valley, and it's Highland in character. Then we're gonna make you a Tommy's Margarita made with a Valley Blanco, side by side, in about 3 minutes. So I want everybody first to shake up the bottle, smell it, and smell your glass and taste it.
The city of Tequila. And it's amazing to see all of the tequila plants out, and the agave plants out, in the area. Everything with agave plants.
Oh.
That's what she does. Yeah. Why? Why is that? Why?
So where do you work? Oh, shit. Let's see a couple. We're at Tommy's Mexican Restaurant here in San Francisco. My name is Julio BERMEJO. I'm the ambassador of tequila to the United States. And this is your Tommy's Margarita with Tequileño Blanco. Salud.